Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, if, elif and else statements. How we are going to preparing and constructing these comparative like if, elif and else statements based on the requirement. When we require to identify the comparison of the values, we'll use these comparative statements using if, elif and else. We have in a session using this if elif sessions like a functionality, how it's going to be in a real-time example which is explained. You will see more on this video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about if, elif and else statements in Python language. It's a simple example. We will discuss about the Python if else and elif statements. You see, earlier also we have seen the same examples. In more detail, I will discuss you here with the specifically for if, elif and else statement. Now see, if my scenario is here, if it's hot day, if else is used to identifying the condition statements based on if the condition is satisfied based on our requirement, it will be move the further execution of that loop of the statement. Otherwise, it will move to another section like else part or elif part. If else part is having more than another condition, we'll use for el, if and the condition. We will see how it would be. Like if it's hot means and it's a hot day, we are going to satisfying the printout. And otherwise, it's a message also we are printing here, drink plenty of water. The statement anything where you which one you want to write here, you can also use to print proper message. Otherwise, it's a cold day, and it's a cold day we are printing here and a warm wear clothes. Okay, that wear warm clothes here. Otherwise, it's a normal day as we are specifying here. Let's start the programming using if else conditions over here. Now see here the program is what I'm taking as a parameter, and it's a saying that it's a false, means it's not hot. Right now, if is hot, what I can say that if it is hot, I'll print what is the message over here. I expect to print over here in the double quotes. It's a hot day. It's a hot day, right? And for if it is a hot day means print messages. Plenty of water. All right, drink it's enough plenty of water means see I'll execute this program and it's nothing is here means it's not here. If it is true, it will be satisfied with this condition. If it is hot means it's true, like a T or true. Execute. Now see here. If it is true means it's passing this parameter is this condition is satisfying, and print it's in a hot day and print drink plenty of water. The messages are going to be printed here. Means the condition is satisfying. And otherwise, what I want to ask him here means it's completely what can I say that simply it's a straight away. If it is false, what is saying here? If it is true, it's printing it's a hot day. If it is false, what it's saying? Nothing I have written here, so it's not showing something. But I want to handle with this that another part is also by using else statement here and print it's a cold day, right? Print, and here I'm populating wear clothes. That's it. If it is hot day, then it will be prints like this satisfied with this condition statement, and else it is prints like this. All right, now we will see it is in a false condition. Yep, and if it is true, I'm handling the else part also. Now let's see. If it is true, If it is true, it's a hot day and cold, drink plenty of water. If false, what it will say is that execute. Now here it's a colder day, wear warm clothes. And rather than true false, there is one more condition is there. Hot is false and cold is true. What you will do? And I want to be a specific message, right? And hot is this art is true, and I want to verify whether hot, cold or not. Cold is also true or not. I want to verify. If it is not cold, then how it will be? That time we will use for Elif condition. See here, my requirement is hot is false and is healthy is cold is true or not. I want to check. Then only I want to print it's a normal day. And here what I want to be your condition here simply I'll make it as an L if. Here I'll write as an Elif and Elif what is that is 0 Elif is cold is like a cold is true, then only you will print it's in a cold day and say that it's in a wear warm clothes. Otherwise I'll go with the else statement here and else statement I'll say that print it's a normal day or it's a cool day or it's like it's a good day. You say that anything and enjoy. Any message you can pop up here. Enjoy a great day. Alright. Now see many conditions. Likewise, you can add many conditions here. And now if it is in a true, it is going to be passing here. If it is both are false, what is the result? It's not hot day, it's not cold day. Then what is the result over here? It's going to be C. Check the program and you'll get it. It's a good day, enjoy a great day. See, program recap once again I'll show you. This is the program. Is hot, I'm mentioning here false, and is cold is mentioning here also false. In the sense both are false. If hot is false, it is moving to the cold place. Else, if it is condition is verifying, it is also false. Then it is going to be in a else part. Now the else part is it's a good day and enjoy a great day. This is the print. If either cases, any one case is true, it will be moved to that block and it will be print there and exits from there itself. All right. And similarly, you have an exercise program is there where you have to practice and the answer will be provided over there.
Thanks for watching Eagle Education. I hope it will be useful to you. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details regarding these tutorials, watch below. The description of my contact details are available. Thank you.